Again, Peter here from Outdoors Roam. Just a quick video today about the cable you need to connect your Bluetti to your solar panels, as I see this asked a lot on various forums, so I thought I'd do a quick video today to show you what you need, especially if you're in Australia. So in Australia, you can get this cable from Anaconda, the iTech MC4 cable. You got to be careful that you don't get the wrong cable, so make sure you get the one that's shown on the screen now, because I previously got the wrong one. As you can see here, the MC4 cable has a positive and a negative, and those connect to each other. When I bought the first one, I just thought, oh, I'll just get the cheapest one available, which was this one on the screen, which was $15. But when I got it home, I realized that the polarity was different and I couldn't connect it to the cable supplied with the Bluetti. So it was an easy swap with Anaconda. I took it back and I got the right one, which I think is between $25 and $30 as shown on the screen here. So yeah, that's all you need to connect your Bluetti to your Anderson and your solar panels, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching.